Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. There are a few prerequisites to look for when considering starting your mobile app testing, including 1. Complete code. Whether you are testing one specific part of the app or just a module, you need the code from the section that you are testing to be complete. 2. Test cases. A list of the specific tests that you are completing in significant levels of detail, so someone without any experience with your mobile app would know what to do when completing the tests. 3. Test environment. This includes the devices and operating systems that you test the application on. Keep the test environment consistent throughout all your mobile app testing to ensure better quality results. 4. Test strategy. Understand why you are completing all these tests that you are and how you plan to use this data. Having a clear strategy makes the implementation of solutions later in the process far simpler. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.